Hello, good morning student. Welcome to all of you. I am Chadar BR, Assistant Professor of Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry Department. I have completed MSc Agri with NET in 2018. I am presenting here today Soil Science Test Series which having 20 most important MCQs with explanations which is very useful to the MCR, ICR, JRF, SRF, IFCO, CRIFCO, IBPS, AFO, Agri MPSC, then NET, PhD and all state agriculture universities examination. If this video is informative to you, only then and then like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, we start today's video. And our first question is the criteria of essentiality was given by Dadesh in 1993. And options are Arnon, Stout, both A and B and Nicholas. So answer is the both A and B. Criteria of essentiality was given by the Arnon and Stout. But Nicholas gives the concept of essentiality. Okay. So these two most important questions are in the first question. Now see next question. And next question is the urea is dash form of N fertilizer, means nitrogenous fertilizer, and options are ammonical nitrate, ammonium nitrate and amide. So firstly we have to know chemical formula of the urea, and the chemical formula of urea is NH2CONH2, and in this formula NH2 is the amide form. Okay. So urea is the amide form of the fertilizer. Okay. And and युरिया हे फर्स्ट फर्टिलायझर आहे जे इनऑर्गॅनिक फॉर्मपासून तयार केलेलं ऑर्गॅनिक फर्टिलायझर आहे. ओके. देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द अवेलेबल फॉर्म ऑफ नायट्रोजन इन राईस इज डॅश, and options are NH4 plus means ammonium ion, NO3 minus means nitrate, both A and B and amide, and the answer is the ammonium ion. Ammonium ion was absorbed by only rice and the potato crop. Okay. And remaining all the crops absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrate. Okay, understand? Then see next question. CN ratio of a sawdust is dash. Options are 200:1, 20:1, 10:1 and 400:1. अगोदर क्वेश्चन समजून घ्या. CN रेशो म्हणजे काय? द अमाऊंट ऑफ कार्बन टू द अमाऊंट ऑफ नायट्रोजन रेशो. So it means it is the ratio of amount of carbon to the amount of nitrogen, and CN ratio influences the decomposition of organic matter. And when CN ratio increases, and then the decomposition will be decreases, means it is in oppositely related to each other. So sawdust, it is very hard to decompose, that's why it has a CN ratio 400:1, and 10 to 20:1 CN ratio of a FYM. Then 10:1 CN ratio soil humus. Okay. And 200:1 CN ratio egg residues. Okay. Then see the next question. Which of the following is the most deficient micronutrient in Indian soil? And it is very confusing questions because बिकॉज हा क्वेश्चन खूप वेळेस विचारला जातो, पण ह्याचे ऑप्शन्स जे आहेत सेम क्वेश्चन्स पण सेम ऑप्शन आणि क्वेश्चन डिफरंट असतो. जसं की आता नायट्रोजन इज दी macronutrient or primary nutrient. Okay, so nitrogen question will be asked as which of the following is the most deficient macronutrient in Indian soil or a primary nutrient in Indian soil. Then option are same and the answer is the nitrogen. But when question is asked as the most deficient micronutrient in Indian soil, which is asked here, then option answer is the zinc. Then question will be asked as a most deficient second micronutrient, then answer will be the boron. And most deficient secondary nutrient, then option is the magnesium. Okay, then next question, dash is immobile nutrient in the soil. Immobile means it can't transfer from one place to another place. Can't transport means it is unable to transfer from one place to another place is known as an immobile nutrient. So answer of this question is the phosphorus, which is immobile in the soil, and calcium and boron, these are immobile nutrient in plant. Okay, then next question is a Khaira disease of rice is caused due to the deficiency of dash. Then answer is the zinc. Okay, which of the following is concentrated organic manure? Then what is meant by concentrated organic manure? Means organic manure having higher nutrient content but apply in low quantity, and answer is the bone meal. So concentrated organic manure, oil cake and bone meal, and bulky organic manure are sewage, sludge, night soil, litter, and then FYM, compost, vermicompost, grain manure. These are the bulky organic manures. Okay, then next question, hidden hunger means dash, and options are deficiency symptoms are seen when the nutrient is deficient. B. Severe yield reduction may occur without appearance of the deficiency symptoms. Third question, visual deficiency symptoms are by other element. And last option is none of these. हिडन हंगर म्हणजे काय, इल्ड रिडक्शन होतं बट डिफिशियन्सी सिम्टम्स दिसत नाहीत, त्याला म्हणतात हिडन हंगर. मग कोणता आन्सर बरोबर असेल? ऑफकोर्स सेवर इल्ड रिडक्शन ऑकर्स without appearance of deficiency symptoms. Then next question, conversion of inorganic form of nitrogen to the organic form means NO3 to NH4. And options are mineralization, immobilization, nitrification and denitrification. जर आपण ऑप्शननुसार गेलो तर काय की मिनरलायझेशन म्हणजे काय, कन्वर्जन ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिक फॉर्म टू दी इनऑर्गॅनिक फॉर्म इज नोन ॲज अ मिनरलायझेशन. देन नायट्रिफिकेशन मीन्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ नायट्रेट अँड डिनायट्रिफिकेशन मीन्स रिडक्शन ऑफ दी नायट्रेट. या दोन्हीचा आता संबंध नाही आहे. मग ऑप्शन काय असेल, इमोबलायझेशन. इमोबलायझेशन मीन्स वॉट, कन्वर्जन ऑफ इनऑर्गॅनिक फॉर्म ऑफ अ नायट्रोजन टू दी ऑर्गॅनिक नायट्रोजन. Okay, then next question, dash is the example of nitrification inhibitors. तर आपल्याला नायट्रिफिकेशन इनहिबिटर म्हणजे काय माहीत असेल पाहिजे. काय नायट्रिफिकेशन इनहिबिटर म्हणजे असे केमिकल किंवा कंपाऊंड जे की नायट्रिफिकेशन प्रोसेस स्टॉप करतात किंवा त्याचा रेट कमी करतात. तर याचे एक्झाम्पल्स काय काय येतं, ॲसिटिलिन, देन करंज ऑइल, ऑइल केक ऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये, अँड DCD, AM, नायट्रोपायरिन हे कायमध्ये, इनऑर्गॅनिकमध्ये. तर नायट्रोपायरिन अँड DCD हे दोन्हीही ऑप्शन येत आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे आन्सर काय असेल? ऑल ऑफ दिस दी आन्सर. ओके. तर याच्यावर अदर ऑप्शन्स पण लक्षात घ्या काय काय येऊ शकतात. नीम केक, करंज केक, ॲसिटिलीन, DCD मीन्स डायसायनामाइड. ओके. Then next question is dash is important for urease activity and new urease inhibitor product may inhibit urease activity. तर एकंदरीत मिनिंग काय होतं आहे क्वेश्चनचं? युरेज ॲक्टिव्हिटी किंवा युरेज इनहिबिटर याच्यामध्ये कोणतं न्यूट्रियंट खूप महत्त्वाचा किंवा काय सगळ्यात जास्त महत्त्वाचं आहे? तर NABT हे काय आहे? हे एक्झाम्पल आहे युरेज इनहिबिटरचं. देन सोडियम न्यूट्रियंट आहे. स्लो रिलीज फर्टिलायझरचा तर संबंध नाही आहे. तर ऑप्शन काय असेल? निकेल इज दी युरेज इनहिबिटर. सो आन्सर इज दी निकेल. Then next dash is the potassium content in MOP is about dash percentage. Then answer is the 60%. Mostly this question is asked in general competitive exams. Then next question is dash is beneficial element, and options are sodium, nickel, molybdenum and potassium. What is meant by beneficial element? Those element which beneficial element are those element which is useful in specific species and at a specific condition. So nitrogen, molybdenum and nickel are the essential element. Okay, so only sodium is the beneficial element, and some other beneficial element are vanadium, silicon, selenium. These are also beneficial element. Okay, next question is a liquid portion of a night soil is called as dash, and options are sewage, sludge, influents and sewage. So liquid portion of a night soil is the sewage, and solid portion of a night soil is a sludge. Okay. The conversion factor of a elemental form of phosphorus to oxidized form means elemental form means P and oxidized form means P2O. So see carefully. First option is 2.29. Okay, and this indicate the conversion of P to P2O5. So this answer is correct, but some other options are also conversion factor. तर पाहूया त्याचे कशाचे कन्वर्जन फॅक्टर्स आहेत. तर 0.43 हा कन्वर्जन फॅक्टर आहे ऑक्सिडाइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ फॉस्फरस टू दी elemental form means P2O5 to P, and 1.20 is the conversion factor of K to K2O means elemental form of potassium to oxidized form, and 0.83 is the conversion factor of oxidized form of the potassium to the elemental form. Okay, understand to all of you? Now see next question. Phosphatic fertilizer suitable for acid soil is ॲसिड सॉईल. सॉईलमध्ये अगोदरच ॲसिडिक कंटेंट जास्त असतं म्हणून ते ॲसिडिक सॉईल असते. मग त्याला कन्वर्जन म्हणजे रिक्लॅमेशनसाठी काय यूज करायला पाहिजे आपण? तर सॉल्ट किंवा मग बेसिक फर्टिलायझर. तर याच्यामधलं बेसिक फर्टिलायझर कोण देते बघा, डाय कॅल्शियम फॉस्फेट. याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? कॅल्शियम आहे आणि हा बेसिक न्यूट्रिएंट आहे. देन डाय अमोनियम फॉस्फेट, याच्यामध्ये अमोनियम आहे. अमोनियम काय आहे, NH4+ मीन्स हे ॲसिडिक आहे. देन SSP सिंगल सुपर फॉस्फेट, हे कोणतं फर्टिलायझर आहे, हे पण ॲसिडिक फर्टिलायझर आहे. त्याच्यामुळे कोणतं फर्टिलायझर मोस्टली सुटेबल होईल, तर ऑफकोर्स डाय कॅल्शियम फॉस्फेट. Okay, then next question, essentiality of a boron was discovered by dash dash. Then options are E. Gris, K. Warrington, Arnon and Stout, and Brown. So Arnon and Stout give the criteria of essentiality, and he discovered the molybdenum. Okay, then Gris, he discovered ferrous, and Warrington discovered the boron essentiality. Okay, then next, highest percentage of nitrogen among following nitrogenous fertilizer is content in dash fertilizer. सो याच्यामध्ये नायट्रोजन कंटेंट जास्त कशात आहे, युरियामध्ये नायट्रोजन कंटेंट किती असतं, 46. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन अमोनियम सल्फेट. अमोनियम सल्फेट इज द ओल्डेस्ट नायट्रोजनस फर्टिलायझर and it is useful for mostly top dressing in a rice, and it has a nutrient content 20.6. Okay, then anhydrous ammonia having nitrogen content 82. Then ammonium ion, it is not a fertilizer, it is a ammonium ion. Okay, so which nitrogenous fertilizer having highest percentage of nitrogen is the anhydrous ammonia. बट क्वेश्चन जर असं विचारलं असतं की हायेस्ट पर्सेंटेज ऑफ नायट्रोजन अमॉंग दी सॉलिड नायट्रोजनस फर्टिलायझर, देन आन्सर इज दी युरिया, बिकॉज अनहायड्रस अमोनिया इज अ लिक्विड फर्टिलायझर. अँड अजून क्वेश्चन असाही विचारलं जाऊ शकतो की विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फर्टिलायझर इज सुटेबल फॉर दी टॉप ड्रेसिंग, देन आन्सर इज दी अमोनियम सल्फेट. Last question is equivalent acidity of ammonium sulfate is dash. So what is meant by equivalent acidity? Equivalent acidity indicates the amount of lime, means calcium carbonate, required for neutralizing the acidity caused by 100 kg of nitrogenous fertilizer is the equivalent acidity. म्हणजे जर 100 kg नायट्रोजनस फर्टिलायझरने जी ॲसिडिटी तयार झालेली आहे त्याला न्यूट्रलाइज करण्यासाठी जेवढे लाईम यूज केलं जातं त्याला म्हणतात इक्वॅलंट ॲसिडिटी. ओके, देन आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज दी 110, मीन्स 110. And ammonium chloride have equivalent acidity 180, means ammonium NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. Then 93 is the equivalent acidity of ammonium sulfate nitrate, and 86 is the equivalent acidity of urea. Okay, these are the most important questions for NCR, ICR, JRF, SRF, and state agriculture universities. If this is useful to you, then like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a good day.